We continue our focus on Kanchenjunga Express collision, which has claimed 9 lives and left 20 others injured. The incident occurred at 9 in the morning when Sialdah-bound Kanchenjunga Express was hit by a goods train in West Bengal's Jalpaiguri. State Disaster Response Team, along with local police, is carrying out rescue operations at the site. Railway Board has blamed the driver of the goods train for disregarding a signal leading to the accident.
Rescue has been completed, restoration has started, and the unaffected portion of the train has moved onwards to Malda.
Ma'am, how long we can expect that the line will again, normal traffic will flow?
I think something will be given, at least one line we'll get by the evening.
Ma'am, regarding the coverage, whether coverage was there in that particular line or not?
No, coverage was not there on this particular line. Coverage is being installed. It's a work in progress, and this portion is also planned.
Ma'am, majorly what led to this incident, if you can tell us?
See, prima facie, at this point of time, I think from whatever we have gathered, it seems that it was a disregard of signal. So, but we will know only after inquiry. Right?
Ma'am, when will be the committee be formed to conduct this inquiry?
Immediately.
यहाँ तो मतलब जो है एक ट्रेन शायद खड़ी हुई थी और एक ट्रेन आगे जो है इनसे टकरा गई शायद। 1-2 जो है डेथ बॉडी मैंने अभी देखा है।
जब ये घटना घटी तब टाइम हो रहा था अप्रॉक्स 8:35 मॉर्निंग। तो जितना हम लोग को पता चला, सामने कंचनजंगा जो एक्सप्रेस है वो धीरे गति से चल रहा था, वो खड़ा नहीं था, धीरे गति चल रहा था। पीछे से जो मालगाड़ी है वो अचानक बहुत स्पीड से था, वो आके पीछे से मर दिया उसको। अचानक देखिए इतना आवाज हुआ था, यहाँ पे जो लोकेलिटी जितना सब है सब आके रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन में लग गया। स्पॉट डेड हम लोगों को जितना पता चला 5-6 जन यहाँ पे रेस्क्यू किया गया है। अभी भी अब देख सकते हैं कि अभी जस्ट नाउ एक जन को रेस्क्यू करके गया।
Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav visited the accident site to take stock of the situation. He has vowed thorough probe into the incident.
दुर्घटना की जांच भी होगी, कमिश्नर रेल सेफ्टी के द्वारा दुर्घटना की जांच भी होगी, और अभी हमारा सारा फोकस है, रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन कंप्लीट हुआ है, अभी रेस्टोरेशन पे पूरा फोकस है। ये मेन लाइन है और किसी भी तरीके से इस दुर्घटना के जो कारण है उस कारण पे भी पूरा ध्यान देके उस तरह के कारण फिर से कभी ना हो वो व्यवस्था की जाएगी।
A political slugfest has erupted over the incident, with opposition demanding accountability of the railway minister.
Rail have become totally parentless. Only you can see railway at the time of inauguration. So many talking points and so many beautification of words, and just like it's a fashion, but they don't take care about the passenger amenity. I'm sorry, I worked as a railway worker, so I know the things. Even they are not taking care for the railway officials and the workers also. Totally with the railway employees and railway officials, they are trying their best, but this government, I think they should give more time for the governance, not for utterance.
मौजूदा जो 10 साल की नरेंद्र मोदी की सरकार है, इसमें ये ट्रेन हादसों के लिए जानी जाएगी सरकार। आप इनके फर्स्ट टेन्योर में देखिए, सेकंड टेन्योर में देखिए, हर टेन्योर में बड़े रेलवे हादसे हुए हैं और बहुत जान माल का नुकसान हुआ है। इससे पूर्व उड़ीसा में जो घटना घटी थी वो कितनी बड़ी घटना थी जो सेकंड टेन्योर में हो। फर्स्ट वाले में तो इतनी घटनाएं घटी थी कि आप जब सो के उठते थे तब आपको पता चलता था कि देश के किसी राज्य में ट्रेन की दुर्घटना हो गई है। तीसरे टेन्योर में भी वही हुआ, यानी कि निश्चित तौर पे रेलवे का जो पूरा सिस्टम है सरकार चलाने में असफल है, और इसी वजह से आज इस तरह की घटनाएं देखने को मिल रही हैं। समाजवादी पार्टी उनमें हताहत लोगों के जान माल के लिए ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करती है और सरकार से मांग करती है कि वो जो मुआवजा ज्यादा से ज्यादा हो सके उन परिवारों को और तमाम सारे तरीकों से बचाव करने के उन सबको मुआवजा देके उनको राहत दे।
Last 5 years, you've seen several accidents with innocents losing lives, and the general quality of trains and train services has really gone down. I think the government should have a serious look at how the railways are functioning under its watch. Those days are gone. The last 10 years you've seen that Mr. Narendra Modi or his cabinet do not take responsibility or accountability for anything that goes wrong under their watch. Railways is a glaring example of this total lack of sensitivity towards people and towards the consumers of railways.
You can't find fault with the railway minister. He is the most brilliant railway minister India had ever had in the last 70 years. You cannot ask him to resign, because if you ask him to resign, we will never be able to find such a great railway minister who excels in sending out videos in 4K, saying how Vande Bharat Express is the most beautiful express in the whole world. Then why do you ask his resignation? We should not ask for his resignation. He should keep continuing. These accidents are happening because the train drivers don't know how to drive the train. This will be the response of the BJP. In the last 10 years, if the BJP has completely destroyed one industry or one sector, that is the railways.
And I'm being joined by my colleague Adrija at this point. Adrija, what is the update right now? What is happening on the ground right now? It may be nearing the dusk right now. We may lose sunlight any point at time. But how's the rescue operations going at this point?
Well, absolutely. You see, it's nearing the end and the rescue operation is over, but the restoration process is still going on. And Ashwini Vaishnav, the Railway Union Minister, has reached the location and supervising everything. He's also visiting the victims who are admitted in their government hospital in a nearby area. Right now, I'm standing in Shialda station where the train is en route towards. All the three compartments that had derailed due to the collision had been cut off from the rest of the train, and the train has already is en route towards Kolkata. And I will show you, in order to provide proper help and assistance, a help desk have also been set up in Shialda station itself. You can see right behind me that a help desk been set up, and the phone is continuously ringing there because there are many families present who are very much agitated at the moment, trying to understand what exactly has happened because their loved ones were traveling in the train. You can see the phone is continuously ringing. The people are here to provide assistance to the family members of the people who were traveling in the train. The train has also en route back towards Kolkata and will be reaching here by tonight and or early morning tomorrow. That is yet to be seen. But several people, almost 50 people, injured in this entire tragic incident that has taken place. Many are receiving treatment in a government hospital in North Bengal, and many are admitted in critical care unit as well. Although some people who were admitted initially with minor injuries have also been discharged by the hospital, but the death toll remains at 9 as of now. And of course, this entire incident, very tragic incident that has taken place, and restoration work is going on. Rescue operation is already over.